This is Argus, an AI SRE for self-hosted SigNoz. An alert fires, it investigates on its own, checks every theory against real telemetry and refuses to report what it cannot prove. Hey, I'm Vinayak Suntalia and I built this. Let me show you how. It's 2 in the morning, an alert fires and nobody is awake. So I let an agent take the page and investigate on its own. Let me break something first. I push a slow query into the catalog service, a PG sleep hidden inside a select. SigNoz notices before I do. Within 3 minutes, the catalog's P99 latency steps off the floor and settles at 2.5 seconds. The alert rule flips to firing. Its webhook points at Argus. That is the only trigger there is. This is the whole interface, a webhook server waiting. The alert arrives 202 accepted. Nobody typed the questions. From here, it runs a fixed loop. It pulls the service golden signals. It walks the slowest trace down to the span that owns the time. It reads the logs, checks recent deploys, and recall what happened the last time the same alerts fired. Then it writes theories and does the part I actually care about. It turns each theory into a query that could prove it wrong and it runs that query. This one came back confirmed. Every claim is one click from the evidence. This is the real trace from that run. The request took 2.5 seconds and almost all of it is on database span. Open it and there is the PG sleep sitting in the statement. Here are the theories it considered and the verdict on each one. Two were confirmed by their own queries, one could not be verified at all, and that one is reported as unverified. It is never counted as proof. The write up goes to Slack as a block hit message. This is a live post from that run. HTTP 200 into a real workspace. So that's the mechanism end to end. An alert wakes it, it gathers evidence, recalls similar incident, and forms hypotheses. And every hypothesis ships with a machine runnable check, confirmed, refuted, and unverified. Only a confirmed hypothesis above 75% is allowed to be called a root cause. Below that, it flags itself for a human. Every investigation it has ever run lives in a local console. Today's run site at top verified, and the ones that refuse to conclude are kept as well. The failures ship with the product. Here is the part I like most. The agent that just investigate my system is itself a trace inside that same system. One span per step. Every model call, every token it spent. Investigation time to root cause, token burn, dollar per run. The thing that watches your system is watched by the same system. Open source every claim, one click from the proof.